Hi everyone, my name is Christy and this is my puppy Dexter, and today I am so excited, and so is Dexter, also so excited to unbox the PAWTECTING PAWS seasonal dog subscription box. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. This box seems amazing. So actually Dexter is a rescue. I rescued him at the end of August last year. So this box means so much to me because this box supports shelters. So this is a seasonal dog and doggy mom themed subscription box, and it costs $57.99, but you get at least $100 worth of products, 8 products. And Dexter brought over his little chew, but we should get into this box so that he has something new to enjoy instead. But I also don't want to forget to let you know, because I know once I open the box, Dexter's going to go crazy, and I'm probably going to forget to tell you that I actually have a discount code. So if you use the code Christy, you will save 10% off your purchase on the PAWTECTING PAWS website, which of course I'll have this linked in the description down below, but it'll be off the store, so it doesn't go off of the subscription box, but it'll save you 10% on the store. And oh my gosh, you have to check out the store. They have such cute things. They also have delicious treats for humans as well. So I'm very excited about all of the products that I've seen from this company. But so without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Dexter, what do you think? What's in here? Oh my gosh, there's a lot in here. Oh my gosh. There are so many adorable treats. Okay, first, I think this is a treat for me. It's a brownie. It's the Eat Me Guilt-Free Brownie. Wonderful Woman. Like Wonder Woman themed. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. 180 calories for this brownie. Yum! I'm gonna put that away from Dexter. But oh my gosh, these adorable treats. This little cookie with the mini rainbow milk bones from Party Pup Inc. New York. So cute. There's also duck treats from Farmhouse Treats. There's beef treats from Farmhouse Treats. Oh my gosh, this adorable cookie says it's 5 o'clock somewhere, and this is a little dog cookie. More dog cookies, wow. Party Pup peanut butter paw prints, so cute. Dexter is going to go crazy for these. Then there's chicken treats, turkey treats. Should I give you a little treat? Just gonna break off a little piece of the turkey treats for him. You wanna do a little trick? Sit, paw, good paw, honey. We'll see what he thinks of that. And then, oh, such a sweet thank you note. Says all the items from this box support USA businesses, and each box purchased this summer, a portion of the proceeds will be donated to Brick City Rescue in New Jersey. So I probably forgot to mention that this is the summer box, of course. And in here, oh my gosh, I want to put this on Dexter right now. It's matching. So this is from the brand Mutts and Motifs, and oh my gosh, adorable hair elastics and an adorable little bandana to go on the collar. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. Dexter isn't wearing a collar right now, but I'll have to put this on his collar. It'll be so cute. Ooh. And this is a really nice leash. How perfect. It's the headlight harness. And I actually had been needing to get Dexter a new leash because I only have one. Oh, and essential to go with it is the little holder with the poop bags. So cute. Oh, awesome, and product information. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It gives you all of the information on all the products that you get. So then, oh, this is awesome. Also, this is perfect to bring to the dog park. It's from Halligan's Collapsible Dog Ball. How cute. What do you think, honey? Now Dexter left the camera view. This, I think, is so adorable. Pet Winery, Fetch Me Noir, dog wine. This is so cute. I love my wine, and now I can have a little wine night with Dexter. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for that. Ooh, and awesome, and so necessary right now. The ticks around me are out of control. These are flea and tick and insect repellent wipes. That is really cool. So isn't that so much that comes in the box? So I'm gonna read off everything that comes in the box. 3 Party Pup cookies, 1 headlight harness leash, Farm Hounds jerky treats, Mutts and Motifs reversible dog bandana, Mutts and Motifs hair ties, Halligan's water bowl, Ticks and All to Go wipes, Pet Winery dog wine, dog bag dispenser with bags, and the Eat Me Guilt-Free brownie. I am so excited about every single product. So many amazing treats for Dexter. And so many useful products as well, like very essential needs that I highly recommend if you have a dog that you would want, like this bowl, of course the insect repellent wipes, a reflective leash. Like, this is such an amazing box. I am so excited about it. And of course I want to thank PAWTECTING PAWS for sending this to me and Dexter. They did send us this box for free. I love to give that disclaimer, but this is not a sponsored video, but I highly recommend you checking them out. It's such an amazing company to support, such amazing products. So thank you so much for watching our video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and Dexter's channel, and we will see you in the next video.